Yo, beautiful people, welcome back to a new YouTube video. Today we're gonna make the boosted juices. So let's freaking get it in. I love to take them daily. It's really healthy. So let's go to the 4-camera setup and to the ingredients. Much love for watching, of course. Okay, I already juiced the oranges and the limes. So we used 10 juice oranges, 3 limes and 3 lemons. So I'm already gonna add some here into the mixer. I thought it saves some time, of course, you know, otherwise it's gonna take way too long for you all with juicing everything. So we got 150 grams of organic ginger. You can take normal ginger too if you like. And we got here a little bit of the juice of the limes and the lemons too. I'm not gonna add everything, we're first gonna mix it all. So we got some juice in there, the ginger, the 150 grams. We're gonna take a big sprinkle of Celtic sea salt, of course. And you can take normal sea salt too if you like. Cayenne pepper, really good for you too. It's a little bit optional how much you want to do in there. If you want to have a little extra strong kick in there, good for the gut, you can do a little bit more in there. Some kurkuma or turmeric as well at taste. Some people really don't like the flavor that much. Then you can add a little bit less, but it got really good health benefits. Then a big tablespoon of organic honey. So let's get it in there. I'm sorry for the special effects. And a little splash of organic apple vinegar too. And a little bit of water to balance it, 200 milliliters. You can add it later as well when you're gonna strain it, but you can add already a bit now too. So that's all in there. Then we're gonna mix it and let it go, famo. And normally I add some black pepper to activate the kurkuma more, but I forgot it this time, lol. One eternity later. Okay, guys and girls, we juiced it all. So we're gonna strain it right now because we wanna get that hard pieces out. Of course, if you like, you don't have to strain it. You can always just use the pulp in there too. I most of the time take the pulp out myself because I don't want to have the hard chunks in there, but it is optional. So let's freaking go. Then you can strain it a little bit over here on a bowl with a strain. I love to use myself a little soup spoon so we can squeeze it through a little bit. Maybe you want to have a little close-up over here. You can just get it in, juice it, and then we can add the rest of the juices as well and press it again through. So maybe some more ginger flavor is coming in. So there we go. And there we go. And then we're gonna taste it, of course. There we go again, guys and girls. You know, the oranges and the limes and the lemons are not always having the 100% same taste. It depends more on the flavor from the oranges though. They can really be sweet or a little bit more sour. And then you can balance it with some more water, honey, or a little bit of extra salt if you like. That is all optional. So then we always take a little whisk. We're getting off all the pulp over here because it's tasty anyway, a little bit extra of course. Not everything, but... So then we can stir it and then take a spoon and then we're gonna taste it and do it in bottles. Most of the time it's straight away good. Oh yeah, good stuff, chat. Good stuff. Rock and roll. Let's do it in some bottles. Okay guys, we got the bottles ready. I most of the time recycle my bottles and I have a little bit of a big recipe, of course. So it's never a problem if you want to make it smaller. You can use less oranges or less ginger. You can just split it for yourself in 2 or in 3 or in 4. But I always make a little bit as well for other people who love to take these boosted juices daily. So let's freaking get it, guys. Here we got beautiful juices coming in together in a bottle. You can save it for at least a week in the fridge. Of course, don't drink out of the bottle, but put it in a glass. You can even make a nice tea from it if you like, with a little bit of boosted juice and some warm water. It's really healthy for you as well if you have a little cold. It's good for the gut too. These times the oranges are a little bit foamy. But we got it, guys. Take a look. Boosted juices. Bam! on. And another time for a little close-up. Hey beautiful people, thank you so much for watching this video. It was a little short version how to make my booster juices, but then in a landscape. So thank you for the support, subscribing, putting a little comment on it. Maybe you want to see my booster tea as well, or some other things. Appreciate all the love and support that we can rock and roll with this beautiful journey together. Much love, peace, and of course,